Hello students, welcome to Jenny's tutoring. This is chapter 5, Order of Operations. Exercise 5.1. First sum, work out the following. A sum is 4 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. Okay, so we have to use BIDMAS here. What is BIDMAS? B stands for bracket, I stands for indices, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. This is the order we have to follow. So first, what do we have? That is B. Do we have any brackets in the sum? No. Do we have any indices? Indices means it's a power. Do we have any powers here? No. Do we have any division here? No. Do we have multiplication? Yes, we have multiplication first. So we have to do the multiplication. So 4 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. So what we have to do first? We have to do the multiplication first. So 4 plus 3 into 2 is 6 minus 1. 4 plus 6 is it's 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. B sum 6 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Okay. What we have to do? We have to use the BIDMAS rule. So first we have to see any brackets in the question? No. So any powers are there? No. Any division symbols are there? No. But we have multiplication operation. So we have to do multiplication first. 6 into 2 plus 4 into 3. 6 into 2 is 12 plus 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 12 is it's a 24. See sum 3 into 5 minus 2 minus 7. Okay, we have to use BIDMAS rule here. Let's see, do we have any brackets here? No. Do we have any indices here? No. Do we have any division symbols here? No. Do we have any multiplication symbol is here? Yes, we have multiplication. So what we have to do? We should do the multiplication first. So 3 into 5 is 15 minus 2 minus 7. Now what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. So 15 minus 2 is, it's a 13. 13 minus 7. That is 6. The sum 8 plus 4 into 8 minus 40. Okay, we have to use the BIDMAS rule. Any brackets here? No. Any indices here? No. Any division symbol is here? No. Any multiplication symbol is there? Yes. So we have to do the multiplication first. So first I write the question here. 8 plus 4 into 8 minus 40. So we have to do the multiplication first. Okay. So 8 plus 4 into 8 is 32 minus 40. 8 plus 32 is 40 minus 40. So 40 minus 40 is 0. Is sum 6 minus 2 into 3 into 4. Okay. So what is the rule? BIDMAS rule. We have to follow it. So here multiplication symbol is there. So we have to do multiplication first. So 6 minus 2 into 3 into 4. 6 minus 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 4 is 24. So 6 minus 24. Here we are using the integer concept. Okay. So one is the positive number. One is the negative number. If we have two symbols, what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. So 24 minus 6 is it's 18. Now bigger number is what? It's 24. 24 has what symbol? It's a minus. So minus 18 is our answer. F sum 7 of 4 plus 2 minus 3. Okay, so we have to use the BIDMAS rule. So B stands for bracket. So we have to check, do we have any brackets in our sum? Do we have? Yes, we have brackets. So we have to do brackets first. 7 of 4 plus 2 minus 3. So inside the brackets, what do we have? That is 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 into 6 minus 3. So after the brackets, what is the operation we have? That is multiplication. So multiplication we have to do next. 7 into 6 is 42. So 42 minus 3, that is equals to 39. G sum 8 plus of 6 plus 3 divided by 3. Okay, so we have to use the BIDMAS rule. So in BIDMAS rule, what is B? That is a bracket. So we have to do the bracket first. So 8 plus 6 plus 3 is 9. So that is only inside the bracket. Okay, so we have to do brackets first. So 6 plus 3 is 9 divided by 3. So after the brackets, what do we have? In the order, we have division. Do we have division here? Yes. So we have to do the division next. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 8 plus 3 we have, that is 11. Which sum is 16 divided by 2 plus 2 the whole square plus 8. We have to use the BIDMAS rule. Okay, so here B stands for bracket. So we have to do the bracket first. So 16 divided by 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 square plus 8. After the bracket, we have I. So I means what? Indices. Indices means it's a power. If we have power, what we have to do? We have to do that. So here 4 square is there. We have power. So 4 square is 16. So 16 divided by 16 plus 8. Now after the indices, what is the order we have? That is division. So we have division also there. So we have to do division next. 16 divided by 16 is, it's a 1 plus 8. So 1 plus 8 is, it's a 9. I sum 4 plus 4 into 4 minus 4. We have to find the answer for this. Okay. So for that we have to use the BIDMAS rule. So let's see, do we have any brackets in there? No. Do we have any indices here? No. Do we have any divisions there? No. So we have multiplication here. So we have to do multiplication first. So 4 plus 4 into 4 minus 4. That is our question. So we have to do the multiplication first. So 4 plus 4 into 4 is, it's 16 minus 4. So we cancel the 4's. So plus 4 and the minus 4 get cancelled. So the final answer is 16. J sum 4 plus 4 the whole square divided by 8 minus 4. We have to work out this. So for that we have to use the BIDMAS rule. So what is B? That is bracket. So we have to check first, do we have any brackets in the question? Yes, we have. So we have to do that first. So 4 plus 4, that is alone which is inside the bracket. So we have to add this. 4 plus 4 is, it's 8. 8 square divided by 8 minus 4. So next we have indices. If you have any powers, that we have to do next. Yes, we have the power 2. So 8 square is, it's a 64 divided by 8 minus 4. So next after the indices we have D. So that means it's a division. So we have to do the division next. 64 divided by 8 is, it's 8. 8 minus 4 which is equals to 4. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.